Okay, before adding the Cataclean, they recommend that you have about 4 gallons in your tank, or around a quarter of a tank in my case. So I'm going to go ahead and put the bottle in now. So here's a look at the Cataclean that I'm going to be using. Restores and maintains exhaust and fuel system performance, improves miles per gallon, reduces emissions, supposedly cleans as you drive, cleans oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, cylinder heads. Yeah, I'm reading the code P0430, so that is a catalyst efficiency below threshold, I believe. So I'm going to give this a try. I do have a check engine light on now. I'm not expecting the light to go off. It'd be great if it does, but this is something to basically just keep your catalyst system clean. You can use this about 4 times a year. Let's see, the instructions on this are, as I showed you with my gas gauge there, have about 4 gallons left in your tank, or about around a quarter of a tank. Then you just add this whole bottle. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive around 10 to 15 miles, or I'm sorry, I think they said 10 to 15 minutes. So drive 10 to 15 minutes and then go ahead and fill your tank up. I don't know if they actually said fill your tank up, but at least put some more gas in. Probably 3/4 of a tank would be sufficient. But anyway, you can see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the bottle up, wipe my hand off. We're going to start driving. So we drove around for about 15 minutes, and now we're going to fill up with just 87.
Huh? 87 or 89?
87. Okay, we filled the tank after driving around about 10 miles. And I was reading the bottle. It does say drive around for 10 to 15 miles, not minutes. Yeah, so I'm thinking we got around 10 miles, filled it up. As you can see, check engine light is still on. The car has not gone through a drive cycle, so it will take a while for the CPU to recognize any changes. And then if it is going to go off, it will go off then. Like I said, I don't really care that much about the light. I just want to have those converters clean and the system, because I think I may even had some other codes on there. But that's not the biggest deal for me. The difference that this Cataclean has with other cleaners is supposedly the Cataclean can survive the explosion that happens during the combustion chamber, and the detergents, chemicals are actually created, I believe, that do the cleaning during that change or during that explosion, that clean the converters. And so I'll take you to the site, or you can check out it yourself. Check it yourself. But I'll kind of go there in this video and let you see kind of how this stuff works, supposedly. So I'm at the Cataclean website here, and I'm at the science part of the website. Let me show you how this stuff is supposed to work here. They actually have a video. But here you see the inside of the converter before and after. This is the ceramic honeycomb part of it. And it's before and after, of course. But let me show you the science here. Let's see. So here's kind of what I was talking about. and I can't pronounce those words, but those are the compounds that are formed during the combustion. And then with the exhaust, those compounds work together to clean the surfaces inside the converter, removing deposits from that ceramic core. Anyway, that is how it works. This, I believe, is a UK product. Let's see. And you can check this out for yourself. I just thought I would take a look at it here while making the video. So, you know, this is the claims made here. The stuff has gotten pretty good reviews, I will say that. Like I said, I believe this is a UK product. Let me go to the home page here. The price of this is about $25. Yeah, the price in the US is around $25, so it is pretty expensive. Also on the website, I'm noticing that they have a money-back guarantee if you fail a MOT test. So that's kind of, I guess, a UK emissions test. You have to, you can get money back on the petrol and the diesel. And yeah, when you buy the bottles, you want to make sure that you're buying, you know, what you need. They do make both. But you have to prove that you failed, and it kind of goes through that, how to do that. So it's pretty interesting. Let me see if I can go to the products here. Here's a look at the products. You know, I use the original. That's the original. Then you have the diesel. Then I guess this is for motorcycles here. Yeah, diesel bike. Anyway, guys, you check this out for yourself if you're still interested. But I'll let you know if I have some incredible results from this stuff. But it's really just kind of a maintenance for me. So I hope to try to use this and over a long period of time to see if it does work for me. Anyway, if you've got the P0430, 430, I'm sorry, one of those codes for supposedly a catalytic converter, or efficiency below threshold, you may want to try this stuff. Read some reviews, do your own due diligence, and you know, good luck. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.